Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite kitchen accessory. I'm going to make a chapati dough with a wheat flour and shows how it works. So you can take any flour and you can make any dough in it. I'm taking 3 cups of wheat flour and 2 cups of water and attaching a dough hook. Add more water to make it little soft so it will work well. I put on high speed now on level 3. I want my dough little hard for chapati. Now you can switch off and take the dough hook out. Take the bowl out and see, it's done. Chapati dough is ready.